Today we are going to discuss about geography for class 8th. Okay, chapter number 4, agriculture. It is part 2. Okay. So children, already I explained in part 1. Okay. So in part 1, so I am explaining about that agriculture. So what is agriculture? Okay. See here. You know that agriculture field, we know that sowing, irrigation, harvesting crops. Okay, so these all are coming in agriculture. Okay, also we learned in agriculture. So in world's 50% people, world's 50% peoples are depend on the agriculture, and 2/3% people are engaged in agriculture in India. Okay, so so we also learned in some contents, that is the terms of agriculture. Okay, some terms that is we learned in previous class. It is part 1. So that is agri plus culture and seri plus culture, pesky plus culture, and viti plus culture, and horti plus culture. Agri plus culture means that is a agriculture. Agriculture means what? It is a cultivation of crops, cultivation of soil. Okay, and also here, so next one, sericulture. Sericulture, it is a cultivation of silkworms. Okay, and also pisciculture. Pisciculture, it is depends on the fishing. Depends on what? Fishing. Okay, and next viticulture. So viticulture is depends on some vegetables. Viticulture is a cultivation of crops. Okay, and last one, horticulture. Horticulture, it is a cultivation or it is a depends on vegetables, fruits, okay, and all plants there. Okay, so that we also learned in previous class farm system. So what is farm system here? Agriculture is a farming that's important that. So that is the input, output and process. In input we are using that. Some inputs are in agriculture: machinery, seeds, chemicals. Okay, so these are what? Inputs. So afterwards, process. What is the process? Process of agriculture. So there is a flowing, okay, irrigation, flowing, irrigation, okay, afterwards spraying also, and output. So we got output. What we got output? So we got the crops. These are the outputs. This is the farm system. Okay, and also these are two types of farmings. Means that is a types of farmings we learned in previous class. So one is subsistence farming, another one is commercial farming. In subsistence farming, what is subsistence farming? Subsistence farming means, so it is a type of farming. It is a type of one farming. So here family members only doing work in the agriculture field. Okay, they are using small technology. They are using what? Small technology, and laborers are only like household laborers. They are using in household laborers, and we got their output what? Small output. Okay, that is a subsistence farming. In subsistence farming, there are again two types of farming. So one is intensive farming, another one is primitive farming. Okay, so intensive farming. What is intensive farming? In intensive farming, so that one is like that is a type of subsistence farming. Okay, see here farmer is taking one small plot of land. Farmer is taking what? It is a small plot of land. So afterwards in that land, so he will be growing some crops. By example, rice, wheat, maize. These are the main crops they are growing in small plot. Okay, see here afterwards, so other oil seeds also growing in intensive subsistence agriculture. And next one, primitive agriculture. What is a primitive agriculture? So in primitive agriculture system, there are again divided two types. Okay, so one is subsistence farming, shifting farming. Okay, so another shifting agriculture, and another one is nomadic herding. Shifting agriculture means what? This shifting agriculture practiced in thick forest. So where it will be practiced? In thick forest. Okay, so and here southern part of America, Asia and North India. By example, see here some plants are grown, afterwards plants cut down and felling off in that land, and afterwards in that trees are burning. After burning, so that ashes becoming that ashes so mixed up in the soil, okay. So afterwards we are started the growing crops, okay. So once time that will be growing, so the soil is, its losses its fertile. So afterwards when we want growing crop means, so we are selected new crop, we are selected new field, okay, new land. It is a shifting agriculture. And next one, nomadic herders, okay. Nomadic herders, and with their animals they are moving one place to another place, okay. Some animals are, they are ready, camel, sheep, goat and yak, okay. These animals also give them milk. This is a nomadic herd. So this like we learned already in previous class part 1. So today we are learning in part 2 commercial agriculture. Commercial agriculture or commercial farming, okay. See here children, it is a second type of farming, okay. First farming is subsistence farming, and it is a second farming is commercial farming. So what is commercial farming? Commercial farming, here crops are grown. Here crops are grown and animals are reared. Crops are grown. These crops and animals sell in market that. Sell in market. Okay. And afterwards, when we irrigating when we starting the farming, so we want large amount of area, okay. So afterwards, here in commercial farming, so this one is done by, means all work is done by in machines, all work is done by machines. Some commercial farming includes that, see what are the commercial farmings, see here, commercial, okay, grain crops, commercial grain crops, and second one mixed crop, and third one is plantation, okay. So these are commercial farming. So that commercial farming is include commercial grain crops, okay, mixed crop and plantation. This all will including weighted in commercial farming, okay. What is commercial farming understood? Commercial farming means here some we grow the crops here. We are growing crops and animals are rearing here. These growing crops and animals rearing, these both are sold in the market, okay. And afterwards, when we farming, here farmer is selected big area. So farmer is selected big area, large area, okay. And afterwards, in commercial farming, okay, here all work is done by machines, okay. And commercial farming includes commercial grain crops, okay, mixed crop and plantation. These are the commercial farmings, okay. And see here, so let us here one by one I am explaining, okay. First I explain it about commercial grain crops, okay. What is commercial grain crops? See here, commercial grain crop is a type of commercial farming. commercial grain crop. It is a type of what? Commercial farming. Okay. And here in commercial grain crops are wheat. See here. Wheat. Maize. Okay. See here. These wheat and maize are the common commercial grain crops. Okay. Wheat and maize are the common commercial, means it's a commercial grain crops. It is a cropping. It is a growing for commercial purpose only. Wheat and maize, these are growing commercial purpose only. Okay. And see here, let us see here. It is a practicing of commercial areas. Some countries are Northern America. Northern America. Okay. And see here, Europe. Okay. And Asia. So these commercial grain cropping is practiced in these countries also. In which countries these are? Northern America, Europe and Asia. Okay. So this one is the commercial grain crop. Okay. So next about I am explaining second one, mixed crop. Second one is what? Mixed crop. Okay. And see here children, what is mixed crop? Mixed crop is also a type of commercial crop, commercial farming. Okay. And here growing crops, some like growing some foods and fodder. Here in mixed crop. Okay. Mixed farming. Mixed farming. Okay. See now. In mixed farming, it is also type of commercial farming. Okay. And here we are growing food. In mixed farming, we are growing food, fodder. Okay. And rearing livestock. Rearing livestock means what here? Fodder means what? Okay. It is some animals are eating the grass that, okay, grass also it is the livestock of the rearing animals. Okay. See, it is a mixed farming. So mixed farming is the second farming of commercial farming. Okay. Here we grown in mix-up. Mix-up means how it is a growing we are growing food, fodder and some rearing livestock. Okay. See here. This also example means in some countries we are saying mixed farming. So that countries are, see here, Europe, Eastern USA, okay, Argentina, okay, South Australia, okay, and next one, South Australia, New Zealand, Southern Africa. Okay. See here, mixed crop, mixed farming. We practice in these countries also. Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina. Okay. See here, Argentina, South Australia. Okay, and New Zealand, Southern Africa. These all countries practice what? Mixed farming. Okay. So next one I talk about plantation. What is plantation? See here. Plantation. Plantation, it is also type of commercial farming. Okay. It is a third commercial farming. Plantation means here single crop. Okay. So we are growing here single crop. sugarcane, cashew, rubber. Okay, and next one, cotton. These are the single crops. Okay, single crop plantation. Okay, so these crops are growing here. See here. What is plantation? Plantation is a third commercial farming. It is a third commercial farming. Okay. So what is a plantation? Plantation means it is a we are growing only single crop. Single crop means which crops are coming here? Tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, cotton, and banana also coming. Okay. Banana. These are the plantation trees. Okay, these are the plants. See here, these plantation practiced here. See, first one, rubber. Okay, coffee and tea. See here, rubber growing, it is in Malaysia. Okay, and coffee, it is in Brazil, and tea, it is in India, also in Sri Lanka. Okay, India and Sri Lanka. It is a plantation. Okay, some plantations are, we know that some plantation crops, that is a single crop. Single crops are tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, banana, rubber, and cotton. So these are the plantations. Okay, and rubber is grown in, so more practicing in which country? Then Malaysia. And afterwards, coffee also. It is a very more practice in which country? Brazil. And tea is in practice in India and also Sri Lanka. Okay, it is the plantation. And afterwards, about explaining major crops. Major crops. So these major crops are very important crops. These are grown in when we are growing, we require large area. Okay, we require that large area. Okay, and some major crops are here: rice, wheat, maize, okay, and millet. So these are major crops. Okay, and afterwards see here, fiber crops. Fiber crops are here: jute and cotton. Jute and cotton are the fiber crops. Okay, and also see here, very important crops, also major cropping coming: tea and coffee. Tea and coffee also coming in major crop. Okay, so major crop. What are the major crops? Rice, wheat, maize, millet, tea and coffee also coming in major crop. And also fiber crops are jute and cotton. Okay, see here, one by one I am explaining about this. So first I explain rice. Okay, so what is rice? So rice is a major crop. Rice is what here? It is a major crop. Okay, in the world and staple dieting of tropical and subtropical regions. So when here growing of rice, humidity, humidity, okay, and rainfall. And also what we want here, rainfall. And alluvial, alluvial, see the alluvial, alluvial clay soil. So rice is commonly used this soil here. Which soil it is growing? Rice is alluvial clay soil. Okay. See here, rice it is a major crop. Okay. So and it is staple diet of tropical and subtropical regions. So when this crop is growing, want the high temperature, high humidity and rainfall. And this crop is grown in alluvial clay soil. Alluvial clay soil. Okay. And some countries are practicing means growing rice. That is China, India, Japan, Egypt. Okay. And West Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, West Bengal, West Bengal and Bangladesh. And Bangladesh. So these all countries practicing this major crop, rice. Understood? What is rice? Rice is a major crop, and also here rice is a staple of diet of means tropical and subtropical regions. Okay. When we want growing rice, we want high temperature, high humidity, rainfall and alluvial clay soil. So rice is grown in this soil, alluvial clay soil. Okay. And some countries are means some countries are growing rice. That countries are China, India, Japan, Egypt, Sri Lanka, West Bengal and Bangladesh. Understood? Okay. So this one first major crop. So next one. So next crop is wheat. Second crop is what? Wheat. Okay. So wheat is also it is a major crop. Okay. And see here. So it is grown in moderate temperature. Moderate temperature. Okay. And it grows in which soil? Loamy soil. Loamy soil. Okay. And when it harvesting, here what? Bright shining. Bright sun shining. Okay. Sun shining. So wheat is the second major crop. Okay. So when wheat is growing in moderate temperature and in loamy soil, and when it will be harvesting, here we want that bright sun shining. Understood? And afterwards see here, some countries are they practicing of wheat, means growing of wheat. So first one, that is a USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, okay, Ukraine, and also here we saw here Australia, okay, and Sri Lanka, and also we saw it, so India also, okay. Okay, so it is a wheat crop. Wheat crop is a second major crop. So when we are growing wheat, so wheat is grown here moderate temperature. It will be growing in where at moderate temperature, and also loamy soil. It will be growing in loamy soil, and when it India, wheat is growing in which season? That winter season. Okay, and part 2 is completed here. Okay, so what you learned today in part 2? Okay, so you learned today commercial farming. Okay, and afterwards in commercial farming, that is including 3 types. Okay, so one is commercial grain farming, and second one mixed farming, and third one is plantation. This all coming in way commercial farming. And also you learn today in part 2 major crops. Okay, major crops are, we know that rice, wheat, maize, okay, and millet. These all are the major crops. And here jute and cotton are fiber crops. Okay, so first major crop is rice. We learned today rice. So we know, we understood today. So rice is want that high temperature, high humidity, okay, and some rainfall, and it will be growing in alluvial clay soil. Okay, some countries are growing rice. We know that China, India, Japan, Sri Lanka, Egypt, and India. And second major crop, that is a wheat. Wheat is growing in moderate temperature and in loamy soil.